Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert. Split EQ from Eventide claims to let you enhance, repair, widen or rebalance your audio. But does it work? Let's have a listen. I've used Split EQ to enhance my drums by boosting just the transient element at 8K. Let's have a listen without and then with. Being able to just boost the transients at a certain frequency is definitely a useful enhancement tool. So for that, or to help make things pop out a little bit, Split EQ works well. I've used it for some repair to remove some pick scratchiness from my acoustics while still retaining the top end by this huge tonal boost at 9K. Let's have a listen without and then with. By being able to boost the tonal element like this and cut the transient, I've been able to do quite a good repair job on my acoustics here. So for repair, I think Split EQ works really well. I've used it to widen my mono keys using tonal pan. So I'm not applying any boost or cut, but what I am doing is I'm panning my low mids to the left and my high mids to the right to give some stereo interest. Let's have a listen without and then with. As a widening tool, or to stereoize existing tracks, I think Split EQ works really well. And finally, Split EQ claims to be able to rebalance audio. I've used it here to add some air and to remove some mud with conventional EQ, but this time I've used the master transient and tonal controls to play down the tonal element and to turn up the transient element a little bit to give it some pop. I'll play it without and then with. So that is Split EQ from Eventide. It might not let you unmix a whole track, but for everything else, it works really well. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.